Come on.
His eyebrows go up.
What is that?
Is that something yummy?
Is that good?
It's like, I'm gonna open my mouth.
Is that something different? Yummers, huh? Yay. Say yum. Yay, such a good eater. Is that good? Is it warm?
A little bit still.
Is that yummy?
It's very yummy, actually.
He likes it.
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Can you give me a napkin?
Is that different from green beans, Juju?
You just have so much drool. Oh.
And you want more?
Elijah, you like that like you like your beans?
I think he likes this one more.
I think you
Get
like
out,
this one
Gemma.
more
Gemma,
too.
go away.
It's sweet. Sweeter.
It's sweet.
It's sweeter.
Be careful that's not on the edge.
Go away.
Gemma, stop.
Is that good? Yay!
Where's she smile?
It's nighttime. He's tired.
Are you a food connoisseur?
Come on. More.
Or do you
Is
just
that
give her
yummy,
peas?
Juju? Yummy.
Well, you sure figured out how to eat.
What
quick.
is a squash, anyways? Seriously, is that like a
It's
pumpkin?
Yeah.
It's pumpkin pie.
Oh, here's some pumpkin pie, sweetie.
Sorry, I sneezed.
So strong. I think I see her muscles.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it.